Namaste, welcome to Sisreka's kitchen. Today I am making apple crumble cake. It's an easy recipe. You don't need any baking experience to make this, and it is very delicious. To make apple crumble cake, we need 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half a cup of whole oats, 1/4 cup of almond flour. It is optional. You can skip if you don't want. And 1 cup of raw sugar. I'm using raw turbinado sugar. And 1 stick of butter. 1 stick equals half a cup of butter. And some chopped almonds. I'm using 3 apples. You can even use 4 apples. Also, I'm using 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and some cardamom seeds. First of all, I'm going to cut the apples. I cut them into small pieces and cut them as thin as you can. First, we will add spices to the apples. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and some freshly ground cardamom seeds. We also need freshly grated lemon zest and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Grate some fresh lemon zest into the apples and squeeze about 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Also add some sugar to the apples, and we will add the rest of the sugar to the flour mixture and give them a good mix and keep it aside. It smells so good with cinnamon and ginger powders. Now let us take the other ingredients into a bowl. 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half a cup of whole oats. You can see they are whole oats, not refined or not flavored. They are just plain whole oats. I am adding 1/4 cup of almond flour. Of course, it is optional. And 1 cup of raw turbinado sugar. We used some sugar in the apples, remember? Here what I am using is not a brown sugar. It is a raw cane sugar. Mix these first and then add the spices. Here I am adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and some cardamom powder. Now give them a good mix. Now it is time to add the butter. 1 stick of butter, which equals half a cup of butter. Keep the butter stick in the room temperature for 2 hours so it will be soft and easy to mix with the flour mixture. Or you can defrost it in the microwave. When all the butter is mixed with the flour mixture, it looks like a crumble. Don't try to make a ball. It should look like a crumble, just like this. Now let us prepare the pan. I applied some butter inside the pan and then sprinkled some crumbled flour mixture on the bottom. Then I added the apples. Because I added the sugar to the apples, they are oozing out some juice. Then add the rest of the flour mixture on the apples. Add some almond pieces on the top. I preheated the oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, and it takes about 55 to 60 minutes. So I set the time for 55 minutes. So we can check after 55 minutes, and if it is not done, we can continue baking a little bit longer. Now I am going to put the pan in the oven. Okay, it is done. Let us see how it is. It is nicely brown on the top and it smells really delicious. If it did not get brown on the top, you can continue baking for a few more minutes. You can serve it hot or cold and it will be really delicious with ice cream. Don't expect this to come out like a piece of cake. It will be crumbled because that is how it is. I hope you all try and enjoy this simple cake. Thank you all for watching my video completely, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also like my Facebook page. Please do visit my Telugu channel also for more interesting videos.